Hello again, everyone, and welcome to another eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Titanium box break number 13. Here's the last team up for auction. Serial number NE181146-897. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Pack number 1. We have base. We have a Titanium Reserve autograph for the New Jersey Devils of Adam Henrique. Nice hit for the Devils. Decoy and base. Pack number 2. And base. And base. We have a game worn gear jersey card, a hit for the Boston Bruins of Tuukka Rask. And base. Pack number 3. We have base. And base. We have a game worn gear jersey card, hit for the Washington Capitals of Nicholas Backstrom. And base. Pack number 4. We have base, and we have a parallel base card for the Minnesota Wild of Cal Clutterbuck, 56/99, and a game worn gear jersey card for the Minnesota Wild of Mikko Koivu, and base, and final pack. There's base. Base. We have a nice home jersey, a dual jersey, and autograph. 1/50 of Sean Couturier. 1/50. Nice hit for the Flyers. And to finish it off, we have a base card. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.